here.
My dear friends, the new railway is now operational. Gone is the old railway. The train will run over this magnificent viaduct.
This is an outrage!
My train! Oh, 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 somebody stop it! Oh.
I've got it, Archduke.
How are my customers going to come and eat my wonderful cooking if the train does not go past my restaurant here?
And have you thought of the passengers, Soufflé? With this new track, train journeys will become faster.
That old excuse. I don't believe a word of it.
Well, my dear Soufflé, I'll prove it to you. Tomorrow I shall beat the speed record for a train to travel round the island.
It's a bet.
You're very confident that you'll win, Archduke.
We will win, Archibald. You will be driving the train. Ooh. Oh, what a lovely sound. Perfect. Have you come to admire the stand where I shall celebrate my victory, Soufflé?
With that mobile pressure cooker? Don't sell your fish before you caught it, Archduke.
All aboard!
Archduke, would you like to make a statement for my readers?
Of course, Sullivan.
Archduke, quick!
Oh,
Archduke, jump on!
we'll finish the interview later.
I'd better check that Archduke doesn't cheat. I'll take a shortcut.
Wonderful!
I think that's enough, Archduke.
There! Outside! It's Soufflé!
There's no one there, Archduke.
There! Soufflé!
Your mind's playing tricks on you.
But it was definitely him. He even overtook us on a bicycle. This train is slower than a snail.
I think that's enough, Archduke. I can turn on the turbo now.
See, Archibald? We just needed a bit more coal to go faster. It's time to sound the whistle. As loud as possible. Archibald! Archibald, we've been attacked.
But look, the coconuts are ripe. They've just fallen off the trees, that's all.
Archibald, you don't think that coconuts fall down on their own, do you? Just like that. Oh! Ow!
See? They're ripe to perfection. The good news is that the damage isn't too bad.
What do you mean, not too bad? I'm sure my foot's broken.
Archduke, time's precious. We should get going.
Wait for me!
Those coconuts fell at the right time, my dear Archduke.
Fantastic! Oh, I've had a brilliant idea! Someone is trying to stop us, Archibald. I'm sure of it.
Well, I'm never. It looks like an accident to me.
Coconuts? Now water? It's all very strange, don't you think, Archibald?
It's just a coincidence. Look at that bit of wood. It's worm-eaten. I think the water tower was too old.
A coincidence? I don't think so. It's far too strange to be an accident. Believe me, Archibald. Oh!
Oh no! Here comes the train! Ah! He's going so quickly. It looks like Archduke's going to win his bet. Oh no!
We're nearly at the viaduct.
Fantastic. This calls for a blast on the whistle.
Archduke, please leave the whistle alone. It's not a toy. Oh no! Oh no!
Ah! Archibald! Ow! Ow! It's a plot against me, Archibald. Ah! Oh, thief! Thief! Someone's stolen the viaduct!
Have no fear. Archibald is here.
I'm scared of heights!
Here, Archduke, take my hand. Archduke, open your eyes. Luck is obviously not on our side.
Luck! It's a plot against me, Archibald. And Soufflé's behind it. I've seen him following us.
Soufflé? But why would he do that?
To stop me beating the record, of course, silly. And he has. Look at us. We're stuck.
They're stuck. That's wonderful. I'll send a rescue team. But not too quickly. Yes. Stop. Safe and sound.
We'll have to give up. Goodbye to my lovely record. We were so close. It's so unfair.
Have no fear. Archibald is here. All is not lost, Archduke. The train can cross the viaduct.
Archibald, we'd have to get the track from the bottom of the ravine. It's impossible.
All we have to do is put some different track here. Yes. Come and help me.
Oh no, my migraine is coming back.
Yeah, I can't hear anything. That means they are not about to arrive. You can write your article now, Sullivan. Archduke has failed to beat the record.
We'll live together on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I've had a brilliant idea. Oh, a job well done. Head for the station. Full steam ahead. I said ahead. Archibald, step on it! Ha ha ha! I can't wait to see Soufflé's face when we get back!
And to celebrate my victory, everybody is invited for a drink. But Sullivan?
We've done it! I'll announce our return.
No, I'll do it!
Archduke! My beautiful stand has been destroyed. I demand an investigation.
There's no point, Mari. I already know who did it.
Wait a second. I want to record this story.
There he is, Soufflé. I saw him following us, and he destroyed my train.
Me destroy things? Followed you? No, that's true, but only to check that you didn't cheat.
Oh, unless... Sorry, Solomon. Archduke, I've got it. Every time the whistle blew, there was an accident.
Are you trying to say it was the whistle's fault? You're making it up, Archibald, and I'll prove it to you.
Archduke, stop!
But how did that happen?
The whistle makes vibrating waves which cause the accidents.
Sorry, Archduke, but I won the bet. You must keep your word.
Alas, I must say farewell to my new railway track.
Not necessarily. I've thought of something that'll please everybody.
What a wonderful idea, Archibald. We can keep the new railway line, and Soufflé's customers can still eat at his restaurant.
Oh, it was easy.
But someone had to think of it. Opening a restaurant on a train.
Archibald!
Sorry, Archduke. It wasn't my fault. Someone turned the lights out.